Since its acquisition by Apple, Beats has established itself as an essential brand in the audio world. With products that combine iconic design and advanced technologies, the brand has managed to attract a wide audience, from music lovers to everyday users seeking simplicity. Today, we're talking about the Beats Solo 4, a headset that is part of the increasingly underrepresented audio range in the market. This model, launched in May 2024, aims to reinvent this category by bringing subtle yet essential improvements. Its main advantage is an exceptional battery life of 50 hours, combined with connectivity designed for users from all backgrounds, whether you're in the Android or iOS ecosystem. But is that enough to make it a reference? Can it compete with more versatile models, like even over-ear ones? We'll take a detailed look, and as always, you'll find the link in the description to learn more or to purchase it. In terms of design, Beats stays true to its DNA. The Solo 4 retains the sleek and modern lines of its predecessor, the Solo 3, while adding a few fresh touches, like slightly softened angles, matte finishes, and more subdued colors such as black, slate blue, and pastel pink. Despite a generally well-assembled structure, the Solo 4 still uses a lot of plastic, which can cause some creaking sounds when handling the headphones. This choice of materials is a bit disappointing for a product priced at this level. Fortunately, the metal headband adds some sturdiness, and the thick, plush ear cushions provide real comfort, even after several hours of use. This headset is also foldable, making it easy to carry. It comes with a semi-rigid case that includes compartments for its two cables, a USB-C for digital audio and charging, as well as a mini jack for traditional wired listening, a handy feature that makes it suitable for all situations. The Beats Solo 4 stands out with its modern features and ultra-versatile connectivity. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.3, it provides a stable and high-performing connection, whether with an Android smartphone or an Apple device. With the integration of Google Fast Pair and exclusive features in the Apple ecosystem, like spatial audio and automatic switching between devices, it offers a smooth user experience. Although it doesn't have multi-point Bluetooth, this switching feature remains practical for those using multiple devices. In terms of sound quality, the Solo 4 reflects Beats' evolution under Apple. The once prominent bass is now more subdued, resulting in a balanced sound profile. The mids and highs are well defined, with noticeable clarity for voices and podcasts. However, at high volume, the highs sometimes lack precision, and the bass could be a bit more dynamic for certain music genres. Finally, one of the major strengths of this headset is its battery life. 50 hours of listening is top-notch for this category. If you're in a hurry, a quick 10-minute charge is enough to get an additional 5 hours of listening, convenient for mobile users. The Solo 4 is a lightweight headset, weighing only 217 grams, making it easy to wear every day. Its well-padded ear cushions provide good comfort for medium sessions, but be careful with long listening. The headband can become uncomfortable, especially for larger heads or glasses wearers. The physical controls are grouped on the left ear cup, with a main button that manages power, playback, and navigation, and a ring to adjust the volume. This layout may seem a bit unusual, but it remains simple and effective once you get the hang of it. The dedicated app is available on iOS and Android, but it has a weak point. It is limited to basic functions like geolocation and battery level, without offering an equalizer or advanced customization. This is a real drawback for discerning music lovers. In terms of isolation, the Solo 4 relies solely on its ear cushions to provide decent passive isolation. High-pitched noises and certain mid-range frequencies are well dampened, but the lack of active noise cancellation or transparency mode limits its effectiveness in very noisy environments. Finally, for phone calls, the microphone provides decent quality in quiet settings, but quickly becomes inadequate in noisy environments. This is something to consider if you plan to use it for video conferences or frequent calls. In the category of over-ear headphones, the Beats Solo 4 holds an interesting position due to its versatility and battery life. However, when compared to competing models, its strengths and weaknesses become more apparent. For example, when compared to the Marshall Major 5, a very durable headphone that comes close to the scent of longevity, the Solo 4 offers much more advanced connectivity. Its triple compatibility with Bluetooth, USB-C, and mini jack is a real asset, while the Marshall focuses more on simplicity and sturdiness. When faced with circummoral models like the Sony WH-1000XM4, the comparison becomes more challenging. The Sony With its active noise cancellation and richer sound quality, outperforms the Beats Solo 4 in most technical areas. However, it is also bulkier and less suitable for those looking for a compact and easy-to-carry headphone. Finally, the JBL Live 670 offers features like active noise cancellation and decent battery life, but it lacks the seamless connectivity that makes the Beats Solo 4 stand out. With its specific features like spatial audio and automatic switching between devices, the Solo 4 stands out for its integration into Apple and Android ecosystems. In a market where over-ear headphones are less represented, the Beats Solo 4 remains a solid option, especially for those who value versatility and a compact design. However, it may seem limited compared to more advanced Circumaural models that, although less convenient, offer superior overall performance. In conclusion, the Beats Solo 4 is a headphone that combines sleek design, advanced connectivity, and monstrous battery life. It's an ideal product for users seeking versatility, whether for listening to music, watching videos, or making calls. However, it is not without flaws. Its plastic construction is disappointing for the price. Comfort could be improved during long sessions, and the app severely lacks features. It's a good choice for those who prioritize mobility and simplicity. But if you're looking for richer sound quality or active noise cancellation, other models like the Sony WH-1000XM4 or the Sennheiser Xanthem Wireless deserve your attention. I remind you that you can find the link in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel. And what do you think? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to like the video if you found it helpful. And of course, as usual, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.